I have the third saying from the cross. And it comes from John 19, and I'm going to take it from verse 26 to 28, and it reads, "When Jesus therefore saw his mother and the disciple whom he loved standing by, he said to his mother, 'Woman, behold your son.' Then he said to the disciple, 'Behold your mother.' And from that hour, that disciple took her to his own home." Now, I want you to follow with me just for a quick minute, because when I was reading the scripture, what I found is that even in his dying hour, Jesus was yet about his Father's business. See, in this verse, we see Jesus having sympathy on his mother and placing her in the care of his beloved disciple John. But standing near the cross, that's where they were. What I want to draw your attention to is that we are not given any details about the actual things that are going on while they're standing near the cross. So it left a lot to my imagination. And if anybody knows me, then my imagination can really run wild. So I began to sit there and to realize what Mary must have been going through. Because I'm a mother. And if my son was laying there on that cross, I can only think that what in the world is he thinking? Why would he give his life for people that don't care nothing about is able to meet you right where you are.